before this bootcamp, I couldn't really find anything solid. I was in audio and video freelance, but I was having trouble finding what I wanted for where I'm at in my life right now. So I thought this would be a good option to grow my knowledge base and hopefully find something a little more permanent. It feels like we're building a bit of a base, learning Python, learning JavaScript. We're going over a lot of basics, which I really appreciate coming from not knowing any coding at all before this. So I think it feels like it's building a solid foundation for me to continue to grow. The instructors and mentors, we're spending all day with them, and they've been helpful so far. You can always come to them with a question, kind of dig in a little bit and pick their brain and learn a little bit of how maybe they use something or what they think about something that we've gone over. It definitely reinforces my thought that everything has some form of tech nowadays. So even if it is coding or if it's something kind of coding adjacent, it really is helping me to say, I feel a little bit more confident in this decision to hopefully lead into something more permanent someday.